All right, we just got the Beatbot. All right, let's take a look and see what we got. Okay. All right, so right off the bat, it looks like there's an information booklet that you get, okay? And it's pretty extensive. Okay, here it is. It's a quick user's guide. It tells us everything we need to know about the Beatbot. And then there's the user manual. All right, so this is something we're gonna need to read. There it is. Apparently, that is our Beatbot. Let's go ahead and pull this stuff out. If we can. It's gigantic. All right, there's more ancillary things involved in this. It does have a grip right here that I can pull it out of there. So, look like that. There it is. Precaution before use. It's got a QR code on here. I'm going to take this. We're going to set it over to the side here. There's a bunch of stuff in there. All right, we got to get to it. All right, let's see what we got. All right, here. This is the charging station, I believe, for it. We're out of the package. Oh, yeah. Cord. So this is to plug your Beatbot in. All right, so this is the, I believe that's the charging station. Set that over. Charge dock stand. Oh, that's how you're gonna get your Beatbot out of the water. What's in here? Apparently these, I'm not sure what these are, but we'll set them over here. I got two of them. All right, this is everything that comes in the box. You get your Beatbot. We've got to pull this stuff off the bottom here, like that, because you can't use it with that on there. So get all your tape off of there, right? So this is where the suction is, of course, pulls in there. These are the little cleaners. But let's go ahead and set that down. If you look in here, it has this is your catch where that stuff gets pulled in. But it also, you also have another system that you got to put in there, which is the clarifying thing, which we'll go over. But let's set that down there. So that's your unit itself, right? Pretty sleek, I gotta say, right? Looks pretty good. This is your beat box. All your information comes in there. And this has to be put together. That's the legs for it, and that's the hook to pull your robot out of the pool. This is information on the clarifying agent, which is a separate thing that you have to purchase, and we will show you a video on that. You get a user's manual, and you get a quick start guide. So that's basically everything that comes in the box right there. And yeah, Beatbot, baby, Beatbot. This QR code, you're gonna download a app on your phone that you can use with the robot and connect it to your Wi-Fi. All right, that's it. That's what comes in the box.